So I think it's time to wrap up. But before we do that, we have a very interesting rapid fire round.
Okay.
So cracking knuckles can cause damage to the joints.
Can.
It can.
Can.
Mhm. Cold weather makes joint pain even worse. Is that true?
Can.
It can. Why it does?
Because muscles have stiffness, right? The muscles contract and they cause stiffness.
Okay.
And plus सर्दी में हम लोग भी ज़्यादा नहीं चलना चाहते हैं, तो फिर
Hmm.
स्टिफनेस हो ही जाती है.
स्टिफनेस की वजह से वो पेन बन जाता है.
मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और स्टिफनेस की वजह से can.
Okay, okay. Running can damage your knees in the longer run. Is that true?
Depends. If somebody is not trained, yes.
Okay.
If somebody is doing it regularly, there's
Okay.
not going to be an issue.
So form is important here.
Yes, continuously doing and you are trained for it, then there's nothing wrong.
Best foods for joints.
Best food for joints is going to be vitamin C, omega-3, yeah, and almonds.
Healthy fats. All the
Yeah,
healthy fats.
almonds and blueberry.
Is oil massage good for joints?
Not bad either.
You mean it's not good either?
I mean, if it feels good, it's good. But then,
does it do any good also?
no doubt, blood supply increases when you do a massage, ना.
Okay.
अगर जॉइंट की मसाज हो रही है तो उसमें ब्लड सप्लाई इंक्रीज होगा. और
Okay.
अगर कोई या तो अगर ग्रेड 4 ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस है, देन नो मसाज कैन हेल्प द जॉइंट, एनी टाइप ऑफ मसाज.
बट अदरवाइज रेगुलरली अगर कोई अपने जॉइंट्स को मसाज करता है, ऑयल से मसाज करता है, तो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन वहाँ पे बढ़ेगी
बढ़ती है.
और
It
it will
can
help.
help, yes,
It
it
will
can help,
eventually
yes.
help. How much water should one drink daily for joints health? First of all, does it matter?
It does matter because 90% of the human body is water, and more water means less bad food.
Okay, so there's an indirect.
Indirect, I mean, there might be scientific also.
Okay.
I don't know the scientific correlation to it, but no
Okay.
doubt, if 90% of the human body is water,
Okay.
then why not water?
Okay.
And
okay.
the essential hydration should be maintained. अगर hydrate
Okay.
रहेगा इंसान, तो the joints also nourish well.
Sitting cross-legged on the floor or sitting on a chair, what's worse for hips and knees?
Sitting cross-legged on the floor is worse.
Is worse for hips and knees.
Yes.
Gym versus yoga. Which workout is better for joints?
Both, but with strengthening, yes.
Okay. Both are important.
Choose one and strengthen your knees in them. Yes.
Okay.
अगर already osteoarthritis है, then yoga can aggravate the knee pain.
Oh, it can aggravate.
देखो, अगर किसी को ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस है और वो उसमें फिर वो जो आसन करते हैं नीचे बैठने वाले, वो एग्रीवेट हो जाएगा. बट अगर
Aggravate
जिम
हो
में
जाएगा.
जाएगा तो वो चेयर पे बैठे बैठे स्ट्रेंथ नहीं करेगा. ठीक है.
Okay.
अगर ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस है, देन मे बी योगा कैन एग्रीवेट द नी पेन,
Okay.
क्योंकि उसमें देयर आर आसन्स दैट आर solely dependent on the knee joints and
Knee
when you're at
joints.
night.
Yes, yes. Especially when you're on your all fours, on your knees and your hands.
Yeah,
तो उस पे और ज़्यादा pressure आता है.
yeah. Table chair position, yes.
When your joints are already hurting, should you rest or move to recover faster?
Anytime rest.
Rest.
Yes.
Okay, most overlooked joint in a human body. Like people don't really care about that joint. It's mostly overlooked, but very important and very functional.
Shoulder, I think.
Shoulder. People ignore that.
People ignore it until it demands to be felt, है ना? Because
Okay.
howsoever, shoulder is like that angry girlfriend. तुम उसे इतना इग्नोर करोगे, वो वापस घूम के आएगी. ठीक है. You can't ignore the shoulder because अब सबको frozen shoulder हो रहा है, है ना? तो shoulder overlook करते हैं. We don't pay attention to it, but shoulder will come back to you.
But I don't agree that it's like an angry girlfriend.
Okay.
अभी आज के ज़माने में इग्नोर करोगे तो कभी मुड़ के नहीं देखेगी. Anyway, that's a
okay.
wrap. Thank you so much. It was very insightful, very interesting.
जी.
And we definitely got lot of more awareness about joint health. Much needed topic. घुटनों को और बैक को, शोल्डर्स को, आजकल बहुत लोग इन चीज़ों से सफ़र कर रहे हैं और आपने इतनी ज़्यादा लाइट डाली इन टॉपिक्स
जी.
के ऊपर, इतना हमें अवेयर किया. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Gunjan ji, so much for having me. Thank you everybody else. And आप जितना impact सब में डाल रहे हैं, your journey is commendable. And best wishes. May you keep helping the people just like this.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks
It
so
means
much.
a lot.
Yes, same.
Guys, I really hope that you not just enjoyed the conversation but also found it very, very fruitful. मज़ा आया होगा और साथ में बहुत कुछ नया भी सीखा होगा. क्या चीज़ है जो आप पहले कर रहे थे, वो कौन सी गलती है जो पहले कर रहे थे और अब नहीं करोगे अपने जॉइंट्स के लिए? डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। इन पूरे पॉडकास्ट की मिनी क्लिप्स हम अपने दूसरे चैनल गुंजन टॉक्स क्लिप्स पे अपलोड करते हैं ताकि आप कम टाइम में भी इन पूरे पॉडकास्ट का मैक्सिमम फ़ायदा ले सकें। उस चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है।